Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to connect your Xiaomi C701 to Google Home. So, at first we need to exit the Google Home and just we need to go to the Xiaomi Home and pair our device with the Xiaomi Home application. And once you have paired your Xiaomi Smart camera with your Xiaomi application, if you want to know how to do this, check our channel. You can go back to the Google Home and tap plus over here. Now as you can see, link Apple service. Tap link Apple service. And here, as you can see, we have linked apps, works with Google, video, music, podcast, content list, partner connections. The thing you have to do here is to tap works with Google. Xiaomi Home, one device. Here, as you can see, we have online account. Check for new devices. Tap check for new devices. And the application will be scanned. Tap continue. Agree and continue. We are redirected to the website. Here you have to just log in to your account, Mi Home account, so at the moment I need to do so. Here now I'm logged in and we need to check whether we are real hard reset. So let me just open quickly my mail. Here, open my code 310684. 310684. Submit. Xiaomi Home is linked, and now as you can see, choose device. Xiaomi Smart Camera. Next. Hard Home. Let it be living room. Next. And now as you can see here, you can choose multiple devices, but that's not for now. Here we can open our device list. Xiaomi Smart Camera. And here, I don't know why we can't see the preview, but we have added our camera to our own application, Google Home. Goodbye.